How good is your Spanish? You'll learn 100 basic Spanish words with simple images and quick answers. Can you keep up with the speed? If you pass this quiz, you're ready. Let's begin. How do you say house?
Casa,
How do you say car?
carro,
How do you say dog?
perro,
How do you say cat?
gato,
How do you say apple?
manzana,
How do you say banana?
banana,
How do you say bread?
pan,
How do you say water?
agua,
How do you say milk?
leche,
How do you say coffee?
café,
How do you say pizza?
pizza,
How do you say burger?
hamburguesa,
How do you say egg?
huevo,
How do you say fish?
pez,
How do you say chicken?
pollo,
How do you say ice cream?
helado,
How do you say cake?
pastel,
How do you say candy?
dulce,
How do you say phone?
teléfono,
How do you say computer?
computadora,
How do you say TV?
televisión,
How do you say camera?
cámara,
How do you say book?
libro,
How do you say pencil?
lápiz,
How do you say school?
escuela,
How do you say teacher?
maestra,
How do you say student?
estudiante,
How do you say doctor?
doctor,
How do you say nurse?
enfermera,
How do you say police?
policía,
How do you say firefighter?
bombero,
How do you say bus?
autobús,
How do you say train?
tren,
How do you say airplane?
avión,
How do you say bicycle?
bicicleta,
How do you say boat?
bote,
How do you say tree?
árbol,
How do you say flower?
flor,
How do you say sun?
sol,
How do you say moon?
luna,
How do you say star?
estrella,
How do you say cloud?
nube,
How do you say rain?
lluvia,
How do you say snow?
Nieve.
How do you say fire?
Fuego.
How do you say mountain?
Montaña.
How do you say beach?
Playa.
How do you say park?
Parque.
How do you say hospital?
Hospital.
How do you say bank?
Banco.
How do you say store?
Tienda.
How do you say restaurant?
Restaurante.
How do you say hotel?
Hotel.
How do you say airport?
Aeropuerto.
How do you say clock?
Reloj.
How do you say calendar?
Calendario.
How do you say key?
Llave.
How do you say lock?
Candado.
How do you say money?
Dinero.
How do you say credit card?
Tarjeta.
How do you say gift?
Regalo.
How do you say heart?
Corazón.
How do you say smile?
Sonrisa.
How do you say cry?
Llorar.
How do you say angry?
Enojado.
How do you say love?
Amor.
How do you say music?
Música.
How do you say guitar?
Guitarra.
How do you say piano?
Piano.
How do you say soccer?
Fútbol.
How do you say basketball?
Baloncesto.
How do you say tennis?
Tenis.
How do you say baseball?
Béisbol.
How do you say swimming?
Nadar.
How do you say running?
Correr.
How do you say shirt?
Camisa.
How do you say pants?
Pantalones.
How do you say shoes?
Zapatos.
How do you say hat?
Sombrero.
How do you say glasses?
Gafas.
How do you say watch?
Reloj.
How do you say ring?
Anillo.
How do you say backpack?
Mochila.
How do you say bed?
Cama.
How do you say chair?
Silla.
How do you say table?
Mesa.
How do you say door?
Puerta.
How do you say window?
Ventana.
How do you say toilet?
Inodoro.
How do you say shower?
Ducha.
How do you say toothbrush?
Cepillo.
How do you say soap?
Jabón.
How do you say scissors?
Tijeras.
How do you say hammer?
Martillo.
How do you say light?
Luz.
How do you say battery?
Batería.
How do you say rocket?
Cohete.
How do you say robot?
Robot.
How do you say ghost?
Fantasma.
How do you say crown?
Corona.